Hi guys, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something pretty helpful, something that every iPhone user should know. So, let's say that you've removed some text messages on your iPhone to free up some storage space, but accidentally deleted some important messages. Don't worry. There's still a good chance that you can get them recovered. And in this video, we're going to show you some of the easiest ways to recover the deleted messages on your iPhone. Let's see how. So, if you've got your iPhone messages deleted accidentally, the first place you should check is the recently deleted folder on your device. It's a new feature that comes with iOS 16 and the later versions of iOS. So, if your iPhone system has been upgraded to iOS 16 or above, your device will remind you that the deleted messages will be moved to recently deleted folder after deletion. You can find and recover the deleted conversations by filtering to the recently deleted folder before they get completely deleted after 30 days. So, when you've deleted a message on your iPhone inadvertently, just keep calm. You can open the Messages app, and then at the top left, tap the filters and go to the recently deleted folder. Here, you can find all the text messages that you've deleted within the past 30 days. Now, you can select the messages that you want to get back, and then tap on the Recover option. When you do, the deleted conversations will be recovered to their previous place in your message list. And you won't lose any important text message on your iPhone. So, what if you've cleared up the recently deleted folder? Or you don't have the iOS 16 or newer version of iOS? Well, in that case, you can still retrieve your deleted texts using an iCloud backup. If you happen to back up your iPhone to your iCloud before deleting the texts, then you should be able to recover the deleted messages by restoring your iPhone from the latest iCloud backup. If you're not sure whether you have a recent iCloud backup available, just open the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID, then select iCloud. From here, you can see the Manage Storage option, tap on it, and check the backups. If you've backed up your iPhone recently, you will see a list of backups. If there's no iCloud backup available for your data recovery, you can check our next method, the iOS Data Recovery app, which doesn't require any iCloud backup of your iPhone. So, if you do have an iCloud backup useful, you can now reset your iPhone to factory settings, and then set it up again. This way, you can recover your deleted messages by restoring all your iPhone data your iCloud backup. However, keep in mind that you'll lose the data created after your last backup. So, make sure the deleted messages are important enough to you. Alright, to restore the deleted iPhone messages, we're going to reset the iPhone first. On your phone, open Settings, and then go to the General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. From the two options at the bottom, make sure you select Erase All Content and Settings. You may need to enter your Apple ID and the password to log out. And then your iPhone will erase everything and restart. Once the Hello screen shows up, it's your time to go through the setup process on your iPhone. Remember, when the Apps and Data screen appears, you're going to select the option to restore from iCloud Backup, and choose the latest iCloud backup to retrieve your content and settings. Once done, the deleted text messages will be recovered to your iPhone automatically. And like I said, if you don't have an iCloud backup that can help you in recovering your iPhone messages, or your iPhone isn't running the iOS 16 or later, then this iOS data recovery tool is worth a try. It's very easy to use. You only need to connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows, and then scan for the deleted and lost messages on your device. And the best thing is that you can recover not only the text messages, but also your iPhone photos, notes, call logs and more. So firstly, install the iOS Data Recovery on your computer. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. And I'll drop the download link below this video. Make sure you click it to check all its helpful features. Alright, when you launch the app, just connect your device using an appropriate USB cable. Let your iPhone trust your computer, so the program is allowed to scan the deleted messages on your phone. Then, on this main interface, select Recover from iOS device. It's also capable of recovering data on an iPad, or restoring data from iCloud, depending on what you need. Alright. Unlike the method 2, this iOS data recovery tool won't ask you to reset your iPhone, which means you don't have to erase all your current data. The only thing you need to do is click on the Start Scan option and wait for it to find the deleted messages as well as other recoverable data on your iPhone. It usually takes a couple of minutes. When the scanned results appear on the screen, you're able to preview the conversations you want by selecting Messages and Messages attachments from the Message and Contacts section on the left side. You can select whatever you want, and then hit the Recover button at the bottom to get everything back. Here should come up a message box, letting you select a recovery location where you want your iPhone messages to be saved. And then, hit the Recover button again, and all these selected text messages will be recovered on your iPhone within a few seconds. It's perhaps the easiest and quickest way to recover the lost and deleted data on an iPhone or iPad. You can click the link below this video to have a free trial now. Alright, that's what we have for today. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and share it with whoever needs it. For more useful tech tips, make sure to subscribe to the AppGeeker channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.